Would you have a pint with Jack the Ripper? And what if I told you that these seemingly ordinary streets were once ground zero, one of the darkest chapters in the history of London? The year is 1888, and the East End is a labyrinth of dark corners and twisting alleyways, and a shadow begins to fall over Whitechapel. So how does this pub fit into the story of Jack the Ripper? In Victorian London, pubs were not just a place for drinking, they were vital social hubs. And in an era marked by rapid industrialisation and urbanisation, pubs provided an escape from the grit and the grime of daily life. So for the people that lived here, the 10 Bells was not just for drinking, it was for survival. Whitechapel, a maze of hidden corners and darkened alleyways, was the perfect hunting ground for a killer who dwelt in the shadows. Two of his victims, Annie Chapman, his second, and Mary Jane Carey, believed to be his last, were both seen in the 10 Bells just days before their murder. Just imagine them sitting in there, unaware that their fates had already been sealed. Maybe they even knew him. Did Jack the Ripper stand where we are now? Did he scan the room for an unsuspecting victim amongst the crowd? Even now, 100 years later, it can send a shiver down your spine. So if you're just here for a pint, or to delve into the chilling history of Whitechapel, the 10 Bells is not just a pub, it's a gateway to the past. Stepping inside feels like stepping into a different time, where the walls themselves hold on to their secrets. Would they give us a glimpse of the man who once terrorised Whitechapel, leaving a bloody trail in his wake? And what do you think? Do you think the Ripper walked through these very doors? If you are as intrigued as us by London's shadowy past, please make sure to like and subscribe.